Top 50 famous French foods you need to know. What is France famous for? Food, of course. And we've listed the top 50 famous French foods here. It may surprise you that this famous French food list is not all haute cuisine and gourmet fare. Some of the most well-known and popular French foods today actually descended from traditional peasant dishes. So, don't settle for a mere top 10 French foods list. Here are the top 50 foods France is famous for. Number 1. Aioli. Number 2. ALIGOT. Hash 3. Baba au rhum. Number 4. Baguette. Number 5. Beef bourguignon. Number 6. Beignets. Number 7. Bouillabaisse. Number 8. Brioche. Number 9. Butter. Number 10. Caramel au beurre salé. Hash 11. Cassoulet. Hash 12. Charcuterie. Number 13. Cheese. Number 14. Chicken cordon bleu. Number 15. Chocolate. Hash 16. Choucroute garni. Number 17. Coq au vin. Number 18. Cream puffs. Number 19. Crème brûlée. Number 20. Crepes. Number 21. Croissants. Number 22. Croque monsieur. Number 23. Duck à l'orange. Number 24. Duck confit. Number 25. Eclairs. Hash 26. Escargot. Hash 27. Foie gras. Number 28. Fondue savoyarde. Number 29. Frog's legs. Number 30. Gratin dauphinois. Number 31. Macarons. Number 32. Madeleine. Number 33. MILLEFEUILLE. Number 34. Moules frites. Hash 35. Omelets. Number 36. Onion soup. Hash 37. Oysters. Number 38. Pain au chocolat. Hash 39. Pâté. Hash 40. Pot au feu. Number 41. Profiteroles. Number 42. Quenelle. Number 43. Quiche Lorraine. Hash 44. Ratatouille. Number 45. Salade niçoise. Number 46. Sole meunière. Number 47. Soufflé. Number 48. Steak tartare. Number 49. Tapenade. Number 50. Tarte tatin. Kindly remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.